Hey there, welcome back or welcome to my channel, A Krave-Worthy Life with Katie Eves. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I've got a haul of seeds from Botanical Interests. If you don't know what they are, they have like fruits and vegetables and herbs available for growing, and flowers too. I don't know if I got any flowers, but they had a sale back on Memorial Day, so my family and I took advantage of that so that we can have some seeds to experiment with. We have a very, very small container garden, and we're exploring the possibilities of growing more of our own food. So yeah, that's what I've got here today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this. So it comes in this little box. I think in total we spent $54 or something like that, but there's quite a lot of seeds in here. Ta-da! Okay, that's cute. It comes with a little insert saying happy growing from Botanical Interests. That's cute, I like that. Okay, so look at all the colors. That's so nice. There's so many. There are so many. Good thing seeds don't expire. So in the very bottom was the receipt of all of the items that we got, and then this is everything. It comes with a growing guide or starting guide, so I'll have to do some reading and get into that. I've been watching lots of YouTube videos on the best ways to start seeds indoors, so I think this will be a good supplement for that. But yeah, so let's get started. Okay, these large ones at the back, these are the larger seed packs, because when I was shopping, the small one of the Italian Genovese basil sold out, so we ended up getting this larger one, which is 6 grams, which is annual, full sun to part shade. So this will last us for years, hopefully. And I love pesto, I love it. So hopefully we'll get to put some of these in the ground probably next year. I think it might be too hot now because now it's June 12th. I'm in the USDA growing zone 7. So I'm thinking that the basil might have to wait until next year to be planted, but we'll see. I'll do some more research. This other big one is salad bowl lettuce. Salad bowl blend lettuce. This one was the 3-gram packet, and I'm really excited to do this. Being able to grow it ourselves will be great. Okay, and then up here we got a thank you pack of lettuce blend. Exciting. Okay, and then we got ground cherry pineapple. So we got spaghetti squash, and I've heard that it's very good for storing, because it cures really well, so I'm excited to try this. I love it. I love eating it, making it into like pasta, so it's gonna be a good one. Then we got early prolific squash, summer squash, straight neck, and then we got celery Utah, and then shin Kuroda carrot. I'm excited for that. I got a lot of carrots actually. Little finger carrots. Sugar Daddy snap peas. Carnival blend carrots. Long Island improved Brussels sprouts. Some broccoli seeds. Black-eyed Susan vine, sugar magnolia snap peas, stevia. So I use powdered stevia that I've gotten from the store before, and it's nice, but I like tea, and being able to have some stevia leaves to put into a cup of tea will be really good. And we got shallots, onions, yellow Granex, PRR. Hopefully hopefully this will turn out well. Again, a lot of these we got with next year in mind, so I'm gonna have to do my research and figure out what I can put in the ground in June and later this year. And this one is called the Cabernet Onion, Black Creme Tomato, Romaine Lettuce, New Red Fire Leaf Lettuce, Artisan Bumblebee Blend, cherry tomatoes, got some Ice Queen lettuce, Italian Roma, Acre 55 tomato, Space Master 80 cucumbers, Strawberry Red and Yellow Wonder Blend, Romanesco cauliflower. This one looks so cool. I'm so excited. And then cilantro. So we got cilantro from Lowe's in a container where it was already a start, right? And it's struggling just a little. I forgot to water it for like 3 days, so we'll see if that works. But thankfully we have more that I can experiment with and try to make successful. And then this next item is something that I have gotten from like juiceries before, wheatgrass shots. And so having the wheatgrass plant that I could grow myself and make juice, I think it'll be pretty interesting. Rainbow Blend cherry tomatoes. And then lastly, chocolate cherry tomatoes. So that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed this haul. If you've had success with any of these before, comment below, let me know. So if you want to see more videos like this about our upcoming garden in the backyard, we have a suburban plot of land. You know, it's very small, and so there's going to be some challenges that come with that, but I'm up for the challenge of learning how to make the most out of our space, make it productive. So I think I'll start incorporating more videos about that into my channel. So if you want to see more of our gardening journey as a modern family of 5, go ahead and subscribe, leave a like and comment. I'm excited to get at least the lettuce started soon. I think we have a good chance at getting some high intensity yield of the salad blend. I've been watching some of the MI Gardener's YouTube videos, trying to catch up. I feel like he has so many resources out there, and I'm trying to like absorb all the knowledge, but that's my main goal, is to be able to get some salad greens out of the garden throughout the summer. But stay tuned.